Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. It's been an amazing year, 2025. We've reviewed a ton of fragrances, ton of comments, and just a lot of feedback and being engaged with you guys. It's been absolutely amazing. The best year of YouTube forever for me. And I just want to say thank you. And I'm looking forward to 2026. Now, if you're new here and you don't know who I am, well, I'm Brandon, and I'm very excited to meet you. Let's get into these 5 fragrances that I did not like, okay? These are not in any order. They should be, but they're not. Actually, one thing I gotta do distinct. I love this fragrance, Boss #1. Shout out to Tobias. For the strong recommendation. Tobias, I appreciate you a lot. But I like this so much. Ooh, this smells good. I forgot. I like this so much that I was like, hey, you know what? Let me get into another Boss fragrance. That's what I was thinking. I was so optimistic, so youthful, so ignorant. We have here Boss Bottled Elixir. I can't stand this fragrance. It is absolutely disgusting to me. I don't like it. It's carcinogenic. It's abrasive. It's nasty. There's nothing appealing about this. It is a strong fragrance, absolutely. But this is the definition of a fragrance that is too strong and too overpowering and just, I don't like it. It is an elixir, so of course it's gonna be strong, right? But there's a subtleness that should be maintained throughout the class of concentration, right? And I feel like this throws this out the window. Now, I don't know the original, and I haven't tried the parfum, but this was abrasive, appalling, and disgusting, and I don't like it. And on top of all of that, what made it even worse, can I riff, guys? Can I riff, please? What made it even worse was like, you know, I spent a lot of time on B-roll and the atomizer is broken. So whenever I would go to spray it, that's why it's in a bag, by the way. Whenever I go to spray it, it would just like, it would be drooling all over itself, get all over my hand, all over the white gloves. It was a nightmare. And it's eternally strong. So oh my gosh, God forbid you get this on you while you're trying to debut it, test it out. But it is very, very strong, and the only way I could mitigate the smell was to keep it completely sealed up. Okay, so if you're interested in that, it's good at that, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into another fragrance, and these are not in order. Let's go with Trez Nuit. Trez Nuit, this is a fragrance that's just like, you're better off just buying Dove soap. Better off buying Dove soap. There's nothing wrong with it. I guess the problem I had was that it was Trez Nuit Lyric. I thought that this was like a dupe of Lyric Man. I was so disappointed. It was terrible. It was absolutely terrible. So don't really care for this. Just buy Dove soap. But if you do want to wear this, it's non-offensive. It's probably the best out of all of these, but just because it's neutral, okay? Just because it's neutral. All right, moving on. We have here, Nishane made the list, guys. You know, I'm a Nishane fan. Nishane made the list. I don't necessarily think this is a bad fragrance, but I didn't like what they did with the coconut. And this is Nishane's Fan Your Flame. And a lot more of this is missing than what should be, but I was just so disappointed by how, I didn't like this fragrance. It is something that transforms over time. See if we can get it out. Oh, there it is. It is something that transforms over time.
It kind of smells like,
and in its own right, it's not bad.
Like Lysol. Like,
but I just expected so much more from the coconut. And I'm still getting that really ashy tobacco. It's just offensive. Like, it's not appealing. I know people love this fragrance. I was so disappointed with this and Annie. Like Annie or Annie, A-N-I. I didn't like them. I was very underwhelmed by them. But again, they're not bad fragrances. I think this is bad, but this is just not of my cup of tea. And I was very disappointed in the coconut. I love coconut. And this didn't do it for me, so it makes the list, okay? All right, so we got 2 more left, right? This is a bit of a surprise. Serge Lutens. Now, this is new to the channel. It's a very new fragrance, new house. I don't know all that much about them, but when I bought the sample kit, which by the way has 2 fragrances that I absolutely love, and a different sample kit from Serge Lutens, more on that later. What you do need to know though is this also was a free sample. And so opening this up, in theory, on paper, with asterisks, it would be cool, you know? doesn't work out that way. This is
interesting.
And the names, man, the names. Dans Le Bleu Qui Peut-elle. This smells like vomit. It smells like vomit. It's offensive. It's disgusting. I can't stand it. And it's very confusing. It's a marine amber scent, which are like I think amber scents are kind of overly done. I think marine scents are kind of overly done. Mix the two together, maybe get something different, right? I mean, it's a new realm. I don't even want to spray this on skin. Every time I spray this, I have to get an alcohol pad and wipe it off. It's not my cup of tea. I respect what they were trying to do with this. I simply don't like it. I don't know if the review's out on this yet, because I'm kind of backlogged. I got the flu, it was terrible. But anyway, so yeah, don't like it. I found it to be offensive. I sprayed it in the air. This smells, look at that. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but, oh, that's the first time it actually actuated. Ugh, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Okay, so number one, right, or the last one on the list, again, these are not in order, is going to be Mind Games. Which one? Everyone. Yeah, everyone, okay? I did not like this kit. I was looking so forward to this. I love chess. The marketing is phenomenal. The bottles are phenomenal. The packaging, soft touch cardboard, phenomenal. This has got to be the most underwhelming fragrance kit I have ever smelled.
I'm tremendously underwhelmed here.
And the price, and these YouTubers are absolutely lying to you guys. For them to say that these smell amazing and they're absolutely go get them. No disrespect to Bowtie Fragrance Guy, he was championing these. I'm just like, dude, you have some amazing fragrances. There's no way you can tell me that you really believe that these are on the level of some of those other ones. He has amazing recommendations. And that's no shout out to him. I'm not sure what they got going on behind the scenes, I don't know. But just being an earnest, not trying to sell anything, I smell this and I'm like, yo, this is so average. Now there was one in here that I really did like, and that was Sans Var, if I'm not mistaken. Let's try this out right now so we can have the definitive answer behind that. I mean, even the packaging is phenomenal, man. These are amazing. The white pieces have the white cap, the black pieces have the black cap. Yes, oh, this is good. This is good. So this withstanding, the rest of these, I think this was like 75, 80 bucks. I don't even know if it's worth that. And I know for sure the bottle's at 300, 350, 400. That's crazy. That is crazy. I would never recommend anybody do that. I would say go get 5 Nishane Discovery kits before you get any one of these for 300. So that's it. Those are my opinions. You know, if I ruffled a couple feathers, you'll be okay. Thank you guys so much for checking in and rocking with me throughout the whole year. Join the Accord, the InScentive Accord. It just kind of wraps up what's going on in the year. And if there's anything you'd like to see on the Accord, let me know. We're building this community strong and earnest, okay? So that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.